is Veena from Pata Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Here's where you'll find quick and tasty recipes for new cooks and those with less time to spend in the kitchen. And if you're looking for authentic ingredient proportions and all the essential instructions for each recipe, you've come to the right place. Okay then, let's get cracking with today's recipe. Welcome back. Today we'll make a popular sweet that's traditionally made and shared at this time of year, beginning from the harvest festival of Makar Sankranti. We'll make the soft version of tilgulvadis, the main ingredients of which are til, sesame seeds, and gur, jaggery. These soft vadis need less time to make than the crisp ones. The problem is you can go wrong with the measurement of jaggery. Measuring jaggery is a tricky task. The jaggery you're measuring could be too soft or too dry, or in small chunks or finely grated, so you can't be sure of exactly how much you've measured. If the jaggery is less than what you need, then when you mix in the roasted til and other roasted ingredients, you'll end up having a mix that's too dry and have a hard time pressing it into vadis. I've developed a method to avoid such a situation and ensure you get perfectly formed vadis every time. And to make sure you use the right amount of gur, I'll tell you its weight and the measurement in cups. In this recipe, I also add some additional ingredients to enhance the taste of the vadis. So exactly how are we going to make these? You'll soon find out, right here at Pata Cake. As you've seen, mine is a somewhat different recipe for soft tilgulvadis. The atta and milk powder give these vadis a texture that's between that of a vadi and barfi and also make them even tastier. So here they are, the vadis and the laddus that we just made. So now, Tilgul घ्या आणि गोड गोड बोला. Hope you enjoyed today's video and do stop by again for yet another quick and tasty recipe. Till then, take care, happy cooking!